Okay, it's the first time I'm going to cut aluminium. I have a piece of aluminium. It's a braai, underneath a braai for barbecue. It's the first time I'm going to cut aluminium with my plasmas. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see here. You can see here how it doesn't cut very nicely. It doesn't even go right through in the bottom, in the inside. So it's let me just get better focus here. You can see here. It makes its funny marks in the inside. Here and there it goes through. So it's not the same as metal, as steel. So here's a penetrating the first inside. It makes all this funny. So it shows you aluminium doesn't work so nice with a plasma cutter, but I'm just gonna take it off and just grind it then.